Execution without planning is extinction. So hello guys, this is Nishant Singh and today I'm going to discuss about that planning is important before execution. So guys, it's important think of our life because planning is more important things. Planning gives you a proper goal or clear goal for your products or whatever project or job, anything whatever you want to do in your life or achieve in your life. The planning gives you a perfect plan or perfect way to go and achieve that goal or aim. So planning is more important for achieving your goal or for clearing your goal, because if you have planned well, maybe execution might be differ a little bit, but with your planning it may be happen in a good way. Execution is also important. Both are both are important for our life. If execution is not good, then planning is not worthy for us. But if planning is not good, execution is good, also it's not worthy for us, because if our planning is not as much the level, so we have to try something new or trial and error method for doing anything in our life. So initially while starting in the communication mastery course, everyone has planned that, or Rahul has planned that I will give the first think this for starting up, and then second level, and at the last you're gonna be a master in your communication. So like that you have to plan initially, then you put your efforts to execute that things. If you execute properly your planning, means you gonna rock for your life and for your any project or business in your life. So it's important think of our life that we have to plan. Like I am working in the construction project, so initially our company or our seniors start planning for that. We have planned initially that the tunnel is like that, the station is at that point, or everything whatever machinery or any equipment where you have to kept, everything has planned earlier. Then after that the execution has started. The execution team has started their work to work upon that planning and try to execute that planning. So in everywhere the execution and planning is little bit differ, because as per everyone knows that whatever you will learn in our college life or in our school life, nothing will similarly apply in our practical life. The practical life is little bit differ from our theoretical life. So it's a thing that our execution might be differ, but if you don't have plan earlier, then your execution is gonna be zero or gonna be worst, because you have to try that time the trial and error method, which is not worthy for anything or project, job or your life. So guys, it's a very important thing of our life that we have to plan earlier before execution of anything. So this is all about the planning and execution. Just give your feedbacks for that. Thank you.